Hi everyone, this is a tutorial about the use of Xiaomi Smart Host. Step E. Open the drop-down menu in the upper right corner to set Wi-Fi connection. Screen brightness adjustment, volume adjustment, speaker adjustment. Click on the music library to select resources are local music, TF card, U-Disc. Clicking on the app will bring up some commonly used software. Click on Device Sync Group and the QR code will appear. Open the mobile Tuya app, Smart Life and scan the code to log in. After the code scanning is successful, wait for the gateway to access the network. You can control music through the Tuya app. Control the two lights through the app.